This petition. It is a very important petition, Mr. Speaker, and I believe that we need quality. We need quality in our debates. We need quality in our leadership because, Mr. Speaker, I believe that the Speaker, as a leader, must lead with knowledge. Therefore, I believe that speakers should be people with some qualification. But I don't believe in, making speakers from lawyers. Mr. Speaker, once you understand these standing orders, we had an MP called Martin Shikuku. Martin Shikuku was a very, very good debater in the House, and he could control the House. If he was a speaker, he would have been a very, very good speaker, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, what I think is important is to have qualifications for them, but those qualifications should not be restricted to being lawyers. That is my first take, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, my second take is integrity. Once you are a speaker, please remove yourself from partisan politics. Mr. Speaker, there was a speaker here called Slade, Humphrey Slade. My father was fighting for independence, but Humphrey Slade came up to Bondo to visit him. He did not fear that that person was in the opposition, and he was elected by people who are supporting Her Majesty's government. So, Mr. Speaker, once you are a speaker of everybody, and you must not be seen to be partisan.
Senator Abbas.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I think as the chair of the devolution, I support this petition. Because what is happening now in our